The Researcher Authentication Service is a planned improvement for the Research Workbench. It will improve researcher access and diversity by allowing those who do not have an ERA Commons account to sign up for the Workbench using login.gov. It also improves security through robust identity verification, multi-factor authentication, auditing, and logging. And it improves user experience through a simplified enrollment workflow. The following is a demonstration of how a researcher would sign up for an All of Us Research Workbench account using login.gov. New researchers would be redirected to the login.gov sign-in page, where they can create an account. The first step is for the researcher to enter and confirm their email address. Then create a strong password. Next, the researcher will configure two-factor authentication. There are several methods of two-factor authentication available to the researcher, and they can choose the method that's most convenient for them. For the purposes of this demonstration, we've chosen Authentication Application. To set this up, the researcher would scan the QR barcode with their mobile device and enter the temporary code from their authentication application into login.gov. At this point, the researcher's account has been established and two-factor authentication has been configured. This makes their login process very secure. Next, the researcher would proceed with verifying their identity. This gives all of us the assurance that they are who they say they are. Identity verification is performed using the researcher's state ID, social security number, and address. A picture of the state ID can be uploaded from the computer or a mobile phone. In this example, we use a mobile phone. At this point, the researcher's state-issued ID has been verified, and they can proceed with entering their social security number for additional verification. The last step is to verify the researcher's address through phone bill records or through mail. A text message is sent to the researcher's phone with a one-time security code. The researcher enters that back into login.gov to confirm that they control the phone. At this point, the researcher's identity has been verified, and they can re-enter their password to encrypt and protect their data that they've given to login.gov. Login.gov will then provide the researcher with a personal key. The researcher can use this key if they ever forget their password and need to get back into their login.gov account. Account creation and identity verification are now complete. The researcher is redirected back to the research workbench, and all of us has a strong guarantee that they are who they say they are.